welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today I am sharing with you some projects using the new formula of Mod Podge. This is the multi-surface Mod Podge and it comes in matte or gloss, and I'm using matte today. Now this project is really good for fabrics or papers. It is dishwasher safe and machine washable indoor-outdoor formula. So I think it's gonna be a new favorite. Now for today's projects, I am making over a cowboy hat using sunflower fabric, and that is just so fun for summer concerts, going to the fair, whatever kind of fun things you're doing. And then I wanted to have a tumbler to go with it because I like my matchy-matchy. So I'm making over a tumbler using scrapbook paper, some sunflower paper, and then coating it and gluing it with the Mod Podge Multi. Now for this, there is a cure time to make sure that it is machine and dishwasher washable. But look at these cool designs. I think it is worth the wait. All right, let's dive into these crafts. I'm starting with a plain felt cowboy hat and 100% cotton fabric and the Mod Podge multi-surface. First, I'm just cutting out my design kind of loosely, and then I'm gonna go in and detail cut that out. I'm rolling my bottle as per the instructions to blend the formula. Then I'm just applying it to the back of the fabric and brushing that on. I'm making sure I get all of the edge pieces. Then it's just as easy as placing that onto your hat or onto any of your other fabric surfaces. For the curves of the hat, you can easily go in with some scissors and just snip the fabric, and then you'll be able to work the fabric over those edges and the curves. Now, if you do this, make sure you wipe your scissors clean with either a baby wipe or a damp paper towel right away so that the Mod Podge doesn't dry onto the scissors. For those edges, I usually cut a little curve shape, and I like to add little pieces so that it looks like the flowers are coming off the edge of the brim. This is what it looks like when the hat is almost all the way filled in, and let's add a few more last pieces. There's really no right or wrong way to place these pieces on, and I like to cut them all out in advance and then just sort of play around with where they fit. Now, once this is dry for a couple of hours, I'm gonna go in and top coat with more of that same Mod Podge Multi formula, and this will really seal those down and make it really great for the elements. This is an indoor-outdoor formula. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna add some ribbon trim as a hat band, and I found a really cute button too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue that hat band around. That's just some ribbon. You could use some leather or some cording here, just something that coordinates with your fabric. Now to finish it off, I'm gonna trim that away and hot glue this cute little sunflower button right in the center of our ribbon. I just love how this turned out. It's gonna be perfect for this summer. All right, let's get started on the tumbler. I'm using scrapbook paper for the tumbler, and the first thing I'm going to do is clean my tumbler with rubbing alcohol. This will get rid of any grease. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut out our sunflowers from the paper. This is just regular weight scrapbook paper, and I'm fussy cutting it. I like to find ones that have a white background because they're easy to cut out. I use a little tape for my placement just to make sure I have enough flowers cut out. And I'm using that multi-surface Mod Podge. Remember, this is dishwasher safe. For this tumbler, I'll probably hand wash because it is so large. So just go ahead and add that to the back of the paper and then place your paper down. I'm making sure all of the edges are really pressed down, and I'm smoothing in the center to make sure that there is no air bubbles. And then you can just continue doing this to the entire tumbler. Make sure you get underneath the handle. And this tumbler has some specific sort of raised parts there. So I'm gonna do that same technique where I'm gonna go in with the scissors and just do a small snip, and that will help smooth the paper up over that curved edge there. And then just press with your fingers. You can also use a paper towel to really press down your images. You can rub with the paper towel and make sure all the edges are done. After 2 hours, you're ready to top coat with your first top coat. That's the same Mod Podge Multi, and I like to paint in one direction with my Mod Podge formula. I'm going to do 4 top coats on this, and with each top coat, I'm going to have a dry time of 2 hours in between each top coat. So this is 2 hours later, and I'm now top coating again, and I'm going to repeat this process 3 more times. And again, this is dishwasher safe, but I am hand washing. I wanted to finish off my design with a cute little charm, so I'm just using a little bit of chain that has a clasp on the end, and I'm adding some of these cute sunflower charms. I'm just going to add 3 of them. You could add a lip balm holder or whatever you wanted to, and then you can just attach that to the handle of your tumbler. I love how cute this turns out. So perfect for summer. All right, guys, I think I am all ready for my summer fun. Now, I did sunflowers here, but you choose your favorite fabric and create this really cute hat and tumbler. Now, the multi-surface is perfect for this. If you don't have multi-surface on hand, you could always use dishwasher safe, and you could always use the fabric formula. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week. See you next time.